version of me is Honor 50, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to find clock and click on it. Now select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Now you need to set up an hour and choose repeat. Then select days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones and save them by clicking on OK. Then tap on label. Label your alarm however you wish to, choose OK and click on ring duration. Now pick how many minutes your alarm will ring and then choose snooze duration and swipe left or right to adjust how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. Choose OK and click on sound. Over here select allow in the pop-up and pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the best one and going back. You can also choose music on device and select one of those songs from your smartphone. I will go with that one. Then go back and tap on vibration. Over here you can disable vibrations completely by tapping on them. Or you can also pick one of those vibration patterns by tapping on the best one, like tap tap tap, and going back. Now click at the top right corner over here, and as you can see my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it. Select alarm that you wish to get rid of and tap on delete icon at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!